y'all? It's your boy. I am on the road to Fort Myers, Florida to go and pick up this paint, y'all. So he had it online, Facebook Marketplace, and it's supposed to be huge. I mean, from the specs he got online, the size of it is supposed to be humongous. So I'm definitely interested in going to check this thing out. Hopefully it's everything it's supposed to be, and it's not riddled with holes, and it works, and it has the things. So lo and behold, everything is good, y'all. I'm gonna grab that thing up and I'm gonna head straight back. It's a 5-hour and 30-minute trip there, another 5 hours back. Not looking forward to the drive, but it's worth it. For the price, definitely worth it. So I'm gonna go check this thing out. Hopefully he don't mind me recording, because I'm definitely trying to bring y'all with me to check this thing out, bro. And we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. All right, y'all. I just picked up the paint booth. It is pouring raining out here. That's why I couldn't film. I was actually planning on filming me picking it up, but I couldn't because it is raining and I didn't even know where I was going. Figured it out. So it was best. Everything worked out. Really nice guy. He's working at the Chevrolet dealership painting cars. Said he's been working there for 20-something odd years, which is really nice. So now I just need to make it back home and we'll be good to go. I have gassing up, y'all, at the Murphy. You already know what's going on. Gas up. Let's go. All right, y'all. I done made it back to the crib with the paint booth, and we are about to unwrap this baby, right? So this baby came with these 2 fans, this bag with the stakes and the patches, and this is the divider that has the filters in it and the door that leads to the mixing room. So we're about to unwrap this baby, and I'm gonna get back with y'all because my wife don't want to be on camera. Y'all, that was a workout. This thing is humongous. I'm looking at this thing right here, bro. This thing is humongous. It's gonna be like a house. Man, let me show y'all. Check this out, bro. Look at this thing. This is a small house, bro. Like, what is going on out here? So this thing is supposedly 30 feet long and 20 feet wide. And I think this might be the absolute biggest inflatable paint booth that I've seen. I don't know. Like, if y'all know, bro, if y'all know one bigger, bro, hey, man, this is crazy. This is a workout. So I don't know if this is gonna be okay for one person to put up or not. Jesus Christ. Holy guacamole. Holy crap. All right, y'all. Don't mind my sweaty face. But when I say this thing is big, this thing is big. Like big. Like big. Bro, check this out. Bam. 30 by 20, bro. This thing is humongous. Let me check, man. Let me take y'all on the inside, bro. Check this out. My wife over there complaining about being sweaty, y'all. Alright. So this is it, bro. I believe that I can probably drive a semi-truck in here 100%. Like, bro, this is humongous. This is humongous. So this back part that starts right here where the zipper line is, this is actually the what did I call it earlier? The mixing room. Yeah, the mixing room. So that's what this area is in the back where the zipper is, and it's supposed to be closed off. I got that sheet over there. I just haven't put it in yet. But so from right here to the door is the actual paint booth. mixing room. There we go. So air blows through the fans into here, which goes into the mixing room, and the mixing room, the sheet for the mixing room actually has filters in it, like the same ones that's in the wall. So the air blows into the mixing room and then through the filters and out into here and then out through these filters. The guy that I purchased it from told me that he actually had fans, and now I see the circles. That makes sense. So he said he had a fan on the outside of the filter helping to pull the overspray out. So there's no marks on this one, so I'm assuming that there was only one fan. He said it worked great. Judging by the size of that fan, that ain't too big, but I guess. So anyhow, this is it. Got the skylights, nice. There's actually one in the mixing room as well. One right there, one right there. So there's plenty of lighting. I mean, I don't know if it's enough light to actually paint a car unless this thing was sitting in the direct sun. And in the case that it was sitting in the direct sun, would not be ideal, because then this would just turn into a big greenhouse, which is basically the same thing that I've already been painting. But anyhow, so it's pretty nice though. It's nice. I mean, there's some little stuff and dirt marks. I mean, he said he only used it once. So, I mean, judging by the way it looks like it probably was only used once, or maybe twice. Because I've actually had one of these before. It's smaller than this one, but I've had one of these before, and I only used mine once or twice, and literally there was way more overspray on the walls in mine than this, so this is pretty clean. So all of this for $650. It came with everything that he got in the box. He said that the original price was well over $1,000, and basically everything came with he gave me. So this is it, guys. This is it. I don't know. He showed me some paint. He showed me the paint job that he did in here, and they look good. Not gonna take anything away from it. It did look good. So kind of happy to try it out, but at the same time interested to see the results and how fast the overspray moves out of here versus my paint booth. So this fan is actually blowing the air into a filter. This fan is actually keeping it up. Really put it up just to check it out and make sure everything is 100 from the Facebook post, and it definitely is. I think that there is one hole in this column right here. I'm not 100% sure if it is, but I did hear some air leaking by that column earlier. I don't hear it right now, so maybe it's okay. But he said there was no holes in it at all, so that's what I'm going off of, guys. So here it is, 30 by 20. Now, if it works as good as it looks, I don't know, but you know your boy gonna find out, y'all. I'm gonna find out. We're gonna see what's going on. We finna check them out. I'm telling you, I almost wanna go get the paint done right now and start spraying something. I might go get me a spray can or something. I might go get me a little primer and prime me something or something, see what's going on. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm really not gonna do that. So anyhow, it's really hot out here, and your boy trying to chill. It was a 11-hour drive. Yeah, 11-hour drive. But and I made it back before it got dark. Shoo. Anyhow, we out here until the next one.